Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a Steam account on your computer. So if you don't already have the Steam application installed, then you'll need to go and install that now. And once you've installed Steam onto your computer, we're just going to launch up the application. So to create an account, we have to come down to this create a free account link at the bottom right here. Then you just need to go ahead and enter your email address. I'm just going to type mine in here. And then you'll need to confirm your email address in this bottom field. We can just copy and paste it instead of typing it again. Select your country of residence from the list, and then go ahead and press I'm not a robot. Now you'll always be presented with one of these verification things. So just go ahead and complete the puzzle. You'll usually have 3 different ones that you have to complete in here. So once you've completed the reCAPTCHA puzzle, we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Make sure to select I am 13 years of age or older. Click on continue. And this is now going to send a verification code to the email that we just typed in. So what you need to do is leave the Steam application running and head over to an internet browser. Log into your email account and head over to the verification email. As you can see here, we've got this verify my email address button. Just go ahead and select that. Now, once you get this screen pop up saying that the email's been verified, we can come back over to the Steam application. Now, as you can see, we're going to be presented with this create your account screen. So now just go ahead and select the name that you want to use for Steam. So I'm just going to type in some random stuff here, and then go ahead and select your Steam password and re-enter your password in this bottom field and click done. Then that will go ahead and create your Steam account. As you can see, it's now been successfully created. Click on continue. Now all we need to do is log in with the credentials that we just created. So once you've entered your username and password, we can just click sign in. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you create a Steam account on your computer. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.